Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick rundown of this week and the next week. These next 2 weeks will both focus on our responsibility as student journalists and design basics. So I've combined weeks 4 and 5 here, and we'll get in there in just a minute. I wanted to show you though, if you are still needing to sell or send your ad emails, I did move those into the week 2 and 3 folder. So just so they weren't like out in their own folder, I did move them into that folder. So just FYI. So weeks 4 and 5, we're going to be in here for a couple weeks. Week 4, you see that we kind of have two topics that we're going to be talking about: our responsibility as student journalists, and then also design basics. And then week 5, same thing: responsibility, design basics. So this week, that's what we're focusing on. This will kind of give you an overview of just what your responsibility is now as a student journalist. And there's a couple different, let me click into here. There will be a few different short kind of slideshows, almost like I would be lecturing in class, because this information is more of that type of content. And then also a couple little assignments over that information for this week. Okay, and then we'll continue that topic next week. In the design basics, I wanted to start doing this too because I want to get you guys in the program. I want to get you started in design. And so it's not in design, but I want to get you started designing in our program, which is called Online Design. But I give you a quick intro here. There's some information in here that talks about just some basic design rules, basic design concepts. And then this week you are simply going to create a template and make a text box. And I walk you through how to do that in these pages here. There is, I think this is 6 points, short little design quiz, just covering some key information to make sure that you did, you were responsible for all of this information. I didn't put student completion rules on any of these because I think that has been messing with due dates in Schoology. So, but I will say, please complete these in order. They are in this order for a reason. So make sure you are doing that. And then week 5, I'm not even going to get into that just yet, but we will continue our responsibility as student journalists topic with a quiz, and we'll kind of wrap that up. And then we will continue design basics. And then after week 5, we're really going to just get into design a little bit. But I want you guys to know, the legal issues that we may sometimes face as student journalists. So click into the folders. If you have questions, as always, please email me and just let me know.